Hello, Darren here. In today's video, I want to talk about LinkedIn groups and a strategy that really does work. It's worked for my clients and it's worked for myself to get yourself out there and building an online presence. Having an online presence actually helps you stand out from many other applicants because the majority of people won't spend their time building an online presence, and LinkedIn is a great place to do that. So if you can find groups within your industry or your type of role or sector and join those discussions, offer your insights and advice, it's quite surprising how many potential employers can find your profile and reach out to you for opportunities that they might have in their business. Bear in mind that most companies don't list every single job that they have available on these remote job boards, and actually a lot of these jobs are on company websites. So being on LinkedIn and being in groups is a great way to build your presence online and open up potential doors with employers. What I particularly like about LinkedIn groups is that you can keep up to date with developments within your industry, and you can bring up this knowledge, this newfound knowledge that you have within your cover letter and resume. And as I've said, building an online presence is a must. In an era where everything is online, everything is digital. So for an employer or potential employer to Google search your name, you want them to find content that you've written that actually portrays and showcases the skills that you have. So there's a few things that you need to think about when you are searching for LinkedIn groups to spend your time creating content and engaging with that community. It's really important that it's relevant to the industry sector or niche or role that you are applying for. So make sure you follow those groups that fit really tightly with what type of work you are looking for. You also want to be active on groups which have high levels of activity. You want people posting content regular that you can reply to, that you can add your opinion and experiences and showcase your skills. You also need to make sure that you are adhering to the rules for the LinkedIn group. It might be that they don't like you to post links, so make sure you spend time reading the rules so you don't get banned or get a bad reputation for being somebody who's spamming the group. You always want to add value. Don't just focus on one LinkedIn group. Really think about the type of role and industry that you are in and niche, and focus down on a few groups. Don't join loads and loads of groups. Just focus down on maybe 3 or 4 different mixed groups that you can spend quality time on every day for 20-30 minutes a day. So as I said, you really need to add your experiences and valuable insights into the group. Ask questions, answer questions, and you will stand out if you are regularly participating in that group. It's very likely that a potential employer or a founder of a company will see your profile, notice that you are looking for a remote job, can see your resume on your LinkedIn profile, and that potentially can open up numerous doors that you never thought about before. It could be that somebody who notices your profile from a group refers you to somebody who's looking for somebody in your role with your skills and experience. So it really does pay to spend time building your presence on LinkedIn groups. Another positive of LinkedIn groups is being able to build out your network of potential people that you could reach out to when you are looking for remote job opportunities. You can add people within your network on LinkedIn. You can send them messages, obviously not in a spammy way, but continue that conversation that you had in the group with people one-to-one in their private messenger inbox. and who knows what can come from that kind of conversation and discussion. I hope this video has been useful. If you do have any questions about LinkedIn or LinkedIn groups, please do ask them down in the comment section and I will happily jump in and answer. I might even create a future video on LinkedIn about posting content on there, so keep a lookout for that. Until next time, take care.